Hello friends, my name is Paul Gutka. Welcome back to CodeKaroYaaro, India's first online school of computer science. We are here for our next tutorial and we are going to make an animation today. Let's get started. Let me share my screen. So first of all, we need to open Scratch. So you have to go to Google, open Scratch, click on the very first link, Scratch Imaging Program Share. Today we are going to make a advanced animation. So let's see how we are going to do that. So you have to create a new project on Scratch. As you can see, this is a new project. You have to delete the cat and you have to paint a sprite for this. So we'll go to choose a sprite and there's the third option, paint. Click on paint. So you have to make a circle without the outline. So you have to put outline to 0. This is the circle. Again, you need to paint another circle inside that circle, but you have to change the color. So you have to change the color to some other color and you have to make another circle like this. In the same circle, you need to make the third circle, but every time you have to change the color. So you have to keep on doing this. There should be at least 7 to 8 circles of different colors. And make sure each and every color shows. So I'm going to put one last circle now. So this is how my sprite will look like, okay? Then you have to put a good background. So in the background, I'm going to paint it. So go to the backdrop and click on paint. So I'm going to paint it with different colors. I'm going to change the color again. And again, I'm going to change the color. So this is what my background will look like and it is giving some good colorful effect. Now let's start coding for our sprite. So you have to click on this sprite which we have just painted. So first of all, we are going to go to the events. When green flag is clicked, we are going to put a forever block, okay? And then we need to check the condition. Now, what is the main thing that we need to do for our animation? So whenever my mouse pointer, this is my mouse pointer, whenever my mouse pointer will click on the sprite or when it will touch on the sprite should perform some animation. Only when my mouse pointer is touching this sprite or my mouse pointer is hovering onto this sprite, okay? So I'm going to put the if then block here, and in the if then I'm going to check the condition touching mouse pointer. So you'll get it from sensing touching mouse pointer. If my mouse pointer, this is my mouse pointer, is if it's touching this sprite, then I want that its size should change. So I'll repeat 10 times and I'm going to change the size. So go to the looks and there's change size by 10, put it in the repeat block, okay? And once it will change the size to bigger and once it will change the size to smaller. Whatever times you put the number here, it will repeat that particular times, okay? So again, put the repeat block. Now we are going to change it to the smaller size. So I'm going to put change size by again, but this time it should be -10, right? Okay, and here I'm going to repeat it for like 20 times, and here I'm going to repeat it for like 15 times. And whenever my mouse pointer will touch on this sprite, it will also glide, okay, to some random position. So glide 1 second to random position. I'm going to put it here. And then I also want to change the color. So there is change color effect by from the looks. So let's see how my sprite would look, okay? As you can see, it's changing the size whenever my mouse pointer is touching onto it. See? Yes, it's changing the size. Okay, so here if we put repeat maybe 5 times, then let's see what happens. Okay, where did my sprite go? It's here. Yes, so this is giving some good effect. As you can see, this is like your animation, okay? Instead of 5, let's put it to 10. Okay, so this kind of animation we need to make. So if you want more sprites, you can just duplicate this. Right click on the sprite and duplicate. So now let's see what happens. As you can see, it's giving good effect, right? So this is what our animation is all about. Only when my mouse pointer will touch the sprite, it will first grow bigger and then it will grow smaller, it will glide and it will change the color. Let's make it bigger and check what happens. So this is what we need to make. Okay, so I hope my tutorial is clear to you. This is the code that we need to do. We first need to check if the mouse pointer is touching the sprite or not. If the mouse pointer is touching the sprite, you have to repeat 15 times and change the size of the sprite by 10. And then you again have to repeat 10 times and change it to -10. -10 means it will grow smaller. Okay, and then it will glide to random position. Okay, if you put here 0.5, it will glide 0.5 seconds to random position. Okay, so I hope my tutorial is clear and you're going to make this very soon. Thank you for watching. We'll again start with our new project in our next tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.